Hey, what's up guys? Ken here from the Retro Toy Escapades channel. If you're new here and enjoying the content, do take a moment to subscribe so that I can keep bringing you more pop culture commentary that you didn't ask for. So today, I'm checking out more retro toy treasures from the 1980s, and it's been a while since I covered anything on the Silverhawks. Now, I did do a full review on the Skyrunner flying mechanized squid vehicles sometime last year. Check that out in my archives. And now I'm getting into this massive, super gargantuan space bird, the Sky Shadow. So let's just take a moment to soak in just how large this flying beast is. Now there was a smaller version that came with the Mon-Star action figure, but this is the Super Bird version. This is the version that probably eats Mon-Star. Anyway, one of the reasons why 80s toys were so fantastic was that a lot of them were so freaking huge. Probably because the plastic that they took to make it cost a lot less back in the day too. Now looking at Sky Shadow, it sure is a lot of red all around, with some brief yellow and purple highlights, but there is some circuitry detail etched into the sculpt on the wings and the main body, and this thing serves its purpose of looking ultra menacing. Now, it probably does not show on the camera, but the underside states that this unit was made in Mexico. Okay, so the Sky Shadow isn't just about the size. This thing comes with a cool batch of features. Now when you grab and squeeze its legs together, the wings fold together forward and become like a pair of pincers to grab anything flying in its path. The creature's inner mouth has a retractable inner tongue winch that's supposed to grab and pull stuff into its mouth. It does make a horrible sound though when you're pulling the winch out from its mouth, like it's regurgitating something. Okay, so now we need a volunteer to test out Sky Shadow's features. Let's get Steelheart in here. First, we're gonna test out Sky Shadow's retractable tongue winch. Okay, that didn't turn out as planned. Let's try it again. Shit. Okay, so the retractable tongue feature blows. But how about the wing pincers? Now it does take some doing, but you can get the wings to grab and squeeze your action figures. And release. Oh, since this thing is like a space bat, another cool feature it has is the ability to hang upside down. Just hook its feet onto a railing of some kind and it's ready to lie in wait for its prey. Okay, so that's my look at the classic Silverhawk Sky Shadow. I'm kinda bummed that the tongue winch feature on mine doesn't seem strong enough to grab and retract toys. But what am I gonna do? I can't complain to Kenner Toys, they're out of business. But maybe you guys have a unit that works great. Let me know in the comments. But this is still a great creature toy and worth tracking down on eBay. Thank you.